changing. Spring it is. Snowing in spring. Weather is changing though. It's not bad today. It was snowing this morning, then it stopped. It's a nice view though. Yeah, bless up, Cross fam. What's good? How you doing, bro? April snow. Spring, they said it is. But I guess Jock Frost is sticking around. Yo, what's good, fam? Oh, bless up, bless up. What was it over where you had? What was the weather like? Heard you guys had some ice storm the other day. Hi, Heave. What are you doing? Thanks for joining my live. Oh, this is Canada, actually. Cross fam. But it's nice though. It's getting warm up. Yeah, I've been here a minute now, bro. Just exploring, yeah? Hey, Watch Queen, what's good? What's good? Oh, it's Taiwan. What's going on? How are you doing? Canada is cold. Stay in the sunshine. Yeah, I'm just here chilling, yeah? Yeah, yes, Crossbomb. You can connect with Eve's channel. Wait, let me give you the moderator so you can connect with with Eve, yeah? Eve has a lot of nice recipes on her channel, Crossfam. I gave you the blue so you can connect with her. Oh, you did? Oh, that's nice. Oh, amazing. Yeah, Eve's channel is amazing. Yeah, she definitely has an amazing recipes over there. Every day you go, you learn something new. Or you get a new dinner idea. Eve is an amazing cook. Oh, you have a premiere in 40 minutes. See, she has a premiere in 40 minutes. I told you, every day you can get something. If you don't know what to cook for dinner, go over to Eve channel every day. She'll have something nice over there for you to cook. And the ingredients is not difficult to find. And it's so, like, her procedure is very understandable. You can follow it step by step.
You want break over here? Oh, yeah. You're on break all damn day, though.
Yeah, this is gonna be a 10 minutes live. I gotta go soon. But yeah, you guys have a blessed day, yeah? And thanks for joining the live as well. All right, that's it. And also, I have a new video on my channel. If you guys haven't seen it as yet, you can definitely check it out. Give it a like, give it a thumbs up, and leave a comment. Share it with your family, or even try it. All right, until next time. Peace out.